What's up, guys? Welcome to the first video of reeling in outdoors. So today what we want to do is we're gonna go down to a pond that we have caught a couple bass and a couple sunfish. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be going down to the pond and seeing if we can't catch anything. See you guys there. All right, guys. Well, we got a. Well, we're at the pond. So what we're gonna tell you before we say anything right now, this is really deep. Like, it's really weedy, but it gets really deep. We went we put on some like a water suit or whatever, and we walked in there. It almost like went to our chest. It was pretty deep out there, but right here it's fall.
It's also known as waders.
Waders, yeah, whatever. I couldn't think of the name at the time, but right now it's really shallow. It's usually like right up to where his feet are, but like this is a good time for the bass will come up right in that corner right there. That's a good spot. But all around here, and there should be at least a bass somewhere in this shallow. It only gets about 1.5 feet up there.
Okay, well,
So
I'll show you what we're using. I got Arbery Garcia bait cast and reel, and then got Berkeley Cherrywood rod, and then 12-pound monofilament,
then he's got the
and then popper.
What I got is I got the shark
Shakespeare.
Sorry, agility reel and rod, and then I got the rod and reel, whatever. And then I got a little frog
frog.
with a little skirt on the bottom.
And then line is 15-pound line. I put
15-pound line on this bad boy. And
I'm
so
gonna start casting while you mess up.
start over and let's see what we get. Alright, guys, we'll get you when I set down the camera and we start fishing more. Alright, guys, so I'm just setting you guys down so you can watch us fish and stuff. Sorry, this is kind of bad. It's kind of hard right now. Right there should be good. Right?
Yes.
Leave in the comments if it's really bad.
Yeah. We'll fix that.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Here, wanna grab me another little log like that one right there, the little tiny one? Yeah, right there that you just stepped on.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's not tiny.
Grab it. No, the one that you just stepped on.
Oh, this.
Gosh, people these days. Sorry about this, guys. So, oh yeah, that's good. That should be good. Alright.
Oh.
Alrighty,
I
so
got it tangled.
now we're just gonna catch a big fish. I don't know, what's your biggest bass in here?
Oh,
3 pounds. Mine is only like 1.5 pounds. Well, he lives here, so he comes down here quite a bit.
I don't know. The bass is slowed down here. I don't even know why. I've went a couple times without catching it.
Yeah.
Really.
This is usually a pretty decent spot, but I mean, you never know. Today could be our bad day.
You can go everywhere in this lake.
So I'm just kind of fast reeling this frog in.
Pond, I should say.
I'm just gonna go down this one stretch here. There's quite a bit of sunfish in here though.
Yeah.
But
baby
sunfish. I don't know. My biggest sunfish caught in here is kind of like 1 ounce. Really, like they're not very big. The bass eat them probably. But during the spring,
we're probably gonna go kayaking soon. Well, not soon today, but kayaking sometime.
Yeah.
We like to kayak. I do that a lot. Once I went kayak fishing, 18 pounds, or not 18 pounds, 18-inch bass on this popper. Just going along the shore.
Yeah, and in the spring, this water's way higher, and these weeds
Yeah.
aren't here. Like these
Isn't
weeds
it?
are on top here.
It's over the weeds.
Yeah, it's all pretty much over. Like right after winter, it's deep. Like you can't see any of these weeds after. Well, most of the weeds are dead, and they're gonna grow back. But like it
Good
gets
fishing here in
it
the
gets up to
winter.
10 feet in here, and that would be good
Yeah.
fishing. We should for sure take a kayak out. Like, next spring, take a
Yeah.
kayak out on that.
Okay,
So-
I don't think we're gonna catch anything today. We cast it everywhere.
Let's keep on fishing for a little bit longer here.
Yeah. But
So this is just like this is our first video for this YouTube channel. We had another one, but that one wasn't going very well. So we made this one. So I hope this one goes out a little bit better than our other one. So. Oh, I had a hit. I had a hit.
you did?
I had a hit, yep.
Mm.
Only on about like half. Yeah, I don't know if that was a sunfish, because the sunfish probably would have hit it too.
Yeah. I used to have a pet sunfish. That guy would eat frogs like crazy.
Oh, again! Again! The camera can't see it, of course, but
Here, let me
I
record.
don't know.
I'm done fishing. I can come down here
If
anytime.
you can see the shadow right there, there's like a decent bass right there.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see that.
Yeah,
little
you
brown-
can't see that.
Huh?
You can't see this in the camera.
Oh, another one right here. Right here, right here.
You can't see it in the camera.
It's right behind my.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I see it. I see it.
It's tail right there.
I didn't see it, but the camera can't.
Camera can't? Really?
No.
Be close a little bit. Watch out, watch out. I don't know if
Okay.
the camera can see it,
Jeez.
but there's a bass right here. Right there. Oh, shoot it. Swam away, swam away.
Dang it.
I'm gonna cast down in this little area here where we're trying to make that dam.
That didn't move.
That no.
We do a lot of pond videos on this pond. We tried to build a dock.
But that
Of course, it's in a pasture. The cows destroyed
I'm gonna
it.
go in this little bay area over here, and then we'll end this video here for you guys today here soon.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna
Then we'll
try
tell
to
you a
fish
little
in
bit
here.
about our channel once we're done fishing.
I'm just gonna cast up in here. I remember when you caught that 2-pounder right in
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Right,
that was a
right
fun
there.
day. Oh, see that little one right there? You see that?
Yep. Yep. Camera can't see it either. Water's too muddy.
I know. These bass are not hitting. I had 2 hits over there. I don't know how big it was. It didn't seem big. Can they see it?
Yeah.
I wish you guys could see it better, but
Alright, we don't want to make this video too long. It's 6 minutes.
6 minutes is alright.
Or almost 7.
Well,
Okay, we'll tell you about
I
our
don't see that
channel a little
bass
bit.
anymore right now. I'm gonna go over here, guys, and I'm just gonna cast a couple times, and I'm gonna end this video for you guys.
So guys, our channel is just like outdoor stuff and fishing.
Yeah, I think it's way too shallow.
Yeah.
Way
Oh.
too shallow.
It's almost squirrel season. We're gonna go squirrel hunting.
We're gonna get. I was talking to him before this video to make a squirrel series.
Mhm.
Just like a big series of just squirrel hunting and hunt down.
Oh, we're old enough to go squirrel hunting,
So we're gonna.
and we both did firearm safety.
Remember last year when you saw that huge squirrel?
Yeah.
I want to hunt that thing down. We saw him more than once too.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's way too shallow. I mean, it's not even like a half
Yeah.
a foot. I'm not even a fish here. All right, well, guys.
The
Thank
middle
you
right
for
there.
watching this video. But
Kim.
right now, guys, thanks for watching this video. And yeah, like our videos are just gonna be about outdoors, hunting, fishing,
Yep.
all in the above about outdoors. Hopefully we can make videos at least
Maybe
2 a week.
at least one a day, maybe.
Oh yeah, maybe 1 a day at least.
Maybe one every other day, one a day. I don't know.
Hopefully it'll be us two in every video.
Yeah.
Maybe a couple of them will be one of us, but we just want to make a better YouTube channel than our other, so I don't know. What else is there?
I don't know. Well, see you guys in the next video. I'm just looking at his frog and it's distracting me. Okay, see you guys in our next video.
And thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. See you next video.